There's always drama with Tesla. There's always drama with Elon Musk. He's clearly had an ongoing feud with the SEC and launched various barbs at him, and this is the latest chapter. I think ultimately the question for investors is, what could happen to Musk, and could that have ultimately an impact on the fortunes of the company? And I'm certainly not a lawyer, so I would, have to be careful to speculate here. But certainly, I think the belief is, he needs more oversight. He might need to pay a fine. I think most experts don't think that he would be stripped of his CEO duties. And so I think when you really think through it, if that's unlikely to be the case, then this is probably just another Tesla Elon distraction in the grand scheme of things.
So why don't you just tell investors then to stay away, Tony? You've got to perform on it. Just tell them to stay away until, this guy gets his act together. I don't know how else to say it.
Well, look, it creates short-term volatility. We saw that a lot, obviously, with the take private tweet and with the ensuing, regulatory mandates placed on Tesla after that. But, those end up being short-term sideshows, and you can see that in the stock price, which has traded in a very defined range over the last couple of years between about $250 and $350. That's volatility that, as a Tesla investor, you have to accept. It's an extremely well-covered stock from a press perspective, from a blog perspective. It's seemingly every week there are news stories about departures, about some set of, speculation about demand, potentially something erratic being done by Elon. All of those things move the stock, and all of those things create volatility. But the core question and the fundamental long-term question is still the same, which is, look, can this company viably and economically make cars going forward? We believe the world's going electric. We believe that they're showing increasingly that they can make these cars profitably, and modestly that makes us feel modestly better about the stock longer term. But the near-term stuff, quite frankly, it's a sideshow, I think, for a fundamental investor.